Here are all the possible ways to fix Find My and Find My iPhone when they're grayed out in the Settings app. First, check the Location Services restrictions. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll a little, and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Again, scroll to Location Services and make sure Allow Changes is selected. Now, go back and check Find My under Settings. Tap on your profile name at the top and scroll down to Find My. In the second case, under Find My, you may see that the Find My iPhone option is grayed out and the Check Stolen Device Protection option is turned off. Go back to the main settings screen and scroll to Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down to Stolen Device Protection and turn off the toggle to stop using Stolen Device Protection on your iPhone. Now go back and check the Find My settings under your name. Scroll to Find My and confirm that the Find My iPhone toggle is now accessible. If the changes don't show up right away, I recommend force restarting your iPhone and making sure it's updated to the latest iOS version under General and Software Update. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on free tech guide videos.